In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location or country on the TikTok app. Now, in order to do this, you just need to click on the navigation icon in the top right-hand side, come down to Settings and Privacy, and then select Privacy at the top. If you scroll down slightly, you'll see this option, Location Services, so click that. Underneath Permission Settings, you need to ensure this is set to Never. This may give you a pop-up to turn off location. Just click on Open Settings here, and right at the top, you'll see Location. So we're going to select that and change it to Never. Then you can head back over to the TikTok application. Once you've set this option to Never, we're then going to come down to Location History. Click on Delete Certain Location Data and confirm by pressing Delete. Once you've deleted all of your previous location history, we can then close out of the TikTok application. You then need to head over to the settings icon, scroll down to General and select this, scroll down again and select Language and Region. And this information here is basically what TikTok uses to determine your location. So in order to change your country, you'd need to select Region at the top here. Then go ahead and select the country that you want to change to. I'm just going to press United States. Then just click on Change to English US to confirm. Now once you've done this, you're 50% off the way there. We then need to head over to the App Store on your mobile phone. Click on the profile icon in the top right hand side. Click on your name at the top here. And then once again, you'll see a country and region. So let's select that. And this is basically another place that you'll need to change your country and region. So just doing it in your settings won't be enough by itself. So make sure to also change your country in here as well. Do note that you will need a valid method of payment in order for the new country or region to take effect. And once you've changed your country or region inside of here, you'll then need to restart your iPhone, and then we can launch up the TikTok app. And then once you've launched up the TikTok app, you should now be targeting a US audience or whatever country you specified. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.